So let's go over some of these problems. So it says find the point, slope, slope-intercept, and standard form of the line with the given slope. So we can look at number 2. So remember our point slope formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So I have both a point and a slope. So I can plug everything in. So y minus y1 equals my m times x minus x1. And so we get y, so that's it. That's going to be my point slope form. But now getting my slope intercept form, I need to get y by itself. So I can distribute that to both of those. And so that becomes plus 2. And then I can add the 4. And so we get y equals negative 1/5 x plus 6. So I have these two. And then standard form. So that means I have to get x and y on the same side. So I'm going to add the 1/5 x. And then we just can't have any fractions. So multiply everything by 5. And then you just have to make sure that ax is positive, which it is. So let's look at number 4. Actually, let's do a square root one. So y minus y1 equals my m times x minus x1. I don't have my m, so we need to find it. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so that's going to be 2 root 2 over negative 2 root 2. So that reduces into negative 1. So my m is negative 1. So my point slope formula. Now I can distribute the negative. Should be a 2. And then I can subtract the root 2. And so there's my point slope form. And then standard form, subtract the x. And so you're going to get x plus y equals 0. So those are your 3 different forms. It says Jeff can walk comfortably at 3 miles per hour. Find a linear function d that represents the total distance Jeff can walk in t hours. So this 3 miles per hour, that looks like a rate because it's the change in miles over the change in hours. So it looks like it's going to be the distance walked is going to be 3 miles per hour times the amount of time. Because if it's 1 hour, 1 times 3 is 3 miles. If it's 2 hours, 2 times 3 is 6 miles. So there we go.